Hello world! I'm going to make an origami box. First you will need one rectangle paper, just like this. Start by folding the vertical side to make the middle crease. Just like that. There it is. Next, fold the paper in the middle, just like so. Now you have a long rectangle. Then unfold just the half side. Then fold an angle to the left and right corners in the middle crease. And the second one. Yeah. After that, fold the upper corner and leave the bottom corner of the paper. Fold the left and right triangles in here to make a crease just like this. Now, fold the upper side to the middle crease. Then lift by opening and showing the half side of the box. Now that we have this side, press the upper and lower side together. Like this. Should be perfect. Then insert the pointed corner into the pocket together, just like this. Do the same thing on the other side. And here's my finished product of the origami box. Nice. Today I'm going to make an origami heart. First, you will need one square sheet of paper, just like this. Any colors will do. Start by folding the paper in the middle to make a crease. Then unfold. Next, fold the other side in the middle. Then fold the top side into the middle, just like this. Then flip it over. Fold the left and right edges in to align with the vertical crease, just like making a paper airplane. And then turn it over. Fold the left and right sides into the middle crease, like so. One, two. Then fold the upper left and right corner to make an angle just like this. Then take this pointed edge inside this pocket. Then press the left and right side, just like making a bow. After that, fold the left and right side and make an angle like this. There goes one and two. And finally, fold these pointed corners down to this crease. And here's my origami heart. And this is the finished product of my origami heart. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make an origami heart. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.